Welcome to the Centum Chemistry Guru channel. And today I'm going to discuss about how we can have a mindset for an examination and what we can stay focused and how to prepare a timetable. Getting early in the morning is very important. If you are an early riser, it's well and good, or you can have in the night also. And always plan to work it out in 45 minutes, because if you cross 45 minutes, according to the psychology, is that we can concentrate for the first 45 minutes, and after that you can just take a 5 minutes break and then come again. So it's not, when you go for a break you shouldn't say that, okay, I have gone and let me come and do it later, because that's very important for you. So your slot, time management is very important, and you divide this lessons into three. Like you can have a very difficult topic, and medium and easy. In the morning session, start with the one which is difficult for you, because you can learn it, and then go with easy, and then again go with the medium. So what happens is that, and whatever you've learned now, you have to revise that within the next 24 hours. If you don't do it, what happens? You will not remember. That's very important for us to remember, the students as students. So time management is very important. Morning you get up, have the habit of that. In the beginning, you may not able to get up in the morning. The first 1 week, what you can do is that just get up and stay, do whatever you like, and maybe once you complete, make this as a habit for you, your biological clock sets in, and then you can do without keeping in the alarm also. So that's very important Second, I would like my students to have a goal. Why goal is very important? Because without goal, see, when we plan a tour, we went to go somewhere, we plan so much. How are we going to travel? Are we going to travel by aeroplane? Are we going to travel by a train or bus? And we say the timing, everything. So why not in life also? So it's very important that we have to set a goal, because once you set a goal, you will work towards it, and you will channelize your energy to completely focus on the goal which you have set. But maybe at times you may not be able to stick on to your goal. That's fine, but remember that goal is very important. So write down every day, have an attitude, habit of writing a goal. The goal may change from one day to the other, doesn't matter, but start writing your goal. That's very important. Second thing, I would like you to say that affirmation. What do you mean by affirmation? Affirmation is a positive thing. So I can give an example, like, to me, I can say that I'm always very positive. I never have a negative attitude at all. Yes. What is positive in that? That positive energy will take you up, and the negative energy, if you have, that pulls you down. That's very important, that always you have to stay positive. So one is goal setting, second one is affirmation. So I can just give you affirmation is like uh, one like no just I'm always positive, I never give up, I'm an optimistic person. So like that you write as many affirmations as possible, right? So one is goal setting, second is affirmation. So I have made an acronym for that, is game. What is game? Game is G for the goal setting, A for the affirmation, M for the meditation. What do you mean by meditation? Meditation, I learned meditation in the ninth standard. In our school, I studied in DAV school. In our school, we initiated also. And what is initiation? Initiated is that we were given some sloka, some word will be given to you, and that you have to chant. And you need not chant completely, one, you just leave it also. What is the basic thing is that 20 minutes. Try to sit in a 20 minutes in a room where you'll not be distracted,